There's a $2,100 studio in the Bronx, and it's better than some one bedrooms. So there it is, you just saw it. But you've got a really decent kitchen, dishwasher, lots of cabinet space, and plenty of space for a table. Table can go right there against that wall, somewhere around there. And then you've got a really nice living area, split unit heat and AC, these amazing windows. One closet over there, another one right here. This one is with shelves, so that's like a linen closet. And this is another one. And a pretty big bathroom. Now, there's the space. I'm thinking a bed over there near the closet somewhere to kind of create a sleeping area. And then a couch over here. Or maybe you put some shelves to divide the bed space. And then you put like an L-shaped sectional over here. Or you could put the couch right here, facing the wall, so then you could put the TV up by the wall. To be honest, I'm not so sure. It's a good space, but I don't know what the best layout is. Any ideas?